How to fix screenshot issue on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. So just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and click on reset network setting. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshot issue on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.